Hello, I'm Gavin Townsend, the Transformation Guru here at the Transformation Gym, and I'm just going to share with you how to use a upper body conditioning unit correctly. The upper body conditioning unit is a great tool for growing back musculature and also working the likes of the triceps. This type of equipment basically offsets your body weight. So if you weighed 100 kilos and you put 50 kilos on, you'd only be pulling through the body roughly 50 kilos in weight. So I'm going to demonstrate how to use the equipment in a moment, but what I'm going to do is run through a few of the basic exercises that you can do on this upper body conditioning unit. So you can do close grip pull-ups, where you can see up here, close grip handles, but also wide grip handles as well for wide grip back movements. The close grip exercise works more of the bicep as well as the lats, whereas the wide grip works more of the full back, but also partially the forearms and bicep musculature. When you do pull-ups, you can also engage the core muscles, less so when you're using a body conditioning unit because you stand on the machine. There's some which you can kneel on and there's some where you can stand on. With the tempo of movement, I'd always recommend that you try and do the pulling motion, which is the concentric movement. Take about 2 to 4 seconds, pause for a fraction of a second when you've got to that point of not going any further, squeeze the muscles at that moment for a fraction of a second to a second, and then slowly as you relax, breathe in and take about 3 to 4 seconds on the eccentric movement. So faster on the pull, pause, slower on the relaxed eccentric movement. So let me demonstrate the exercise for you. So I set it at a fair weight, it's going to offset my body weight. We're going to just go for a wide grip pull-up motion. Step it on, pull yourself forward, so you're working all your back musculature. Deep breath in as you go down, and slowly breathe out as you go up. Deep breath in as you go down, and breathe out as you go up. Again, squeeze at the top there, breathe in, and then breathe out. So to demonstrate the close grip now, simply rotating the hands inwards, like so. Again, draw your stomach in, slowly down, breathe in, all the way down, and then breathe out as you go up. And squeeze and hold. Breathe in as you go down, out as you go up. There's a lot of people who would use these machines in a quick motion, and in order to engage your muscles correctly, to grow your muscles, you need to keep your muscles within a level of tension under a period of time. So I'd always recommend you keep your muscles under tension for about 40 to 60 seconds to challenge the muscle enough. If you're just going to jerk through the reps and it's going to take you 10-20 seconds, you've not really worked your muscles that hard. So a decent rep range for strength on this exercise would be 8 to 12 reps. A decent muscular endurance range would be between 15 and 20 reps. I'm Gavin Townsend, the Transformation Guru. Make sure to hit the subscribe button on my YouTube for more tutorials, interviews, nutritional tips and more.